Hey everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday. Happy Monday. It's my last day of winter break. Technically I was supposed to go back today for a professional development day, but I took a personal day and so I get to be home today, which is pretty awesome. I'm going to do a plan with me today in my PrintPression B6 spiral. This is a new planner. It's the same as a planner I had last year. It's just the same layout, everything like that. New cover. I thought this was really cute. And then you can see I used last week's and now I'm on to this week. I'm a little bit late doing this. I should have done this over the weekend, but I've been trying to do so much setup for like my reading planner and stuff like that that I got a little bit behind. So I am catching up today and that'll be a good thing. So we've got a blank slate here. Make sure I didn't skip a page. Okay. And I'm going to use the Sweet Kawaii Design Current Kawaii Kit. Now I say current because you can sign up for it right now. So through the 10th is when signups are open for this kit. It is Cherry Blossom. This is the PrintPression size. If you love it, don't miss it because the Kawaii kits do not come to the shop in their entirety. Sometimes Tasia will do kind of a scaled down kit version, but you never want to miss out because it's such a bummer when, you know, kits like this, it's gorgeous. The colors are absolutely beautiful. The full boxes, I mean, how cute. The colors, the full boxes, just everything is so beautiful with this. A really nice one to have as we kind of head towards spring. It's obviously still winter and that's okay. I'm just gonna put a little bit of spring in my planner today. There's our half boxes, the date covers, and then, so like I said, this is the PrintPression. This is PrintPression weeks size. So this is sized for the weeks. It works just fine in my B6 the way that I use it. So that doesn't bother me at all. Sometimes I'll use the vertical kits or the horizontal kits and use the different washi, but this will work great. And then look at this gorgeous sheet of deco. Really pretty. And then here's the jumbo sticker. So again, the weeks size. So it's kind of this hobo weeks size sticker rather than the full jumbo 5x7. Okay, so to get started, we'll choose which washi we want. We have the dark pink, the light pink, kind of this green, I guess it's a really light green, kind of yellowy green, and the orange. Do I want to go with a pink or do I want to go with the orange? I think I'm not going to do the green. If I look at the colors of the kit, we've got the green, the pink, the orange, the yellow, the green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we go back to that dark pink. I think I'm going to do the orange because it only shows up once for the week. And I really like this color orange. I think it's really pretty. It's kind of this very light orange. So we'll put this on. I hope everyone's year has started off well. I was just talking to my husband today. We were out running just a bunch of errands, you know, when it's like, all right, we're gonna go out and do all these different things and just get them all done. We had to go drop off stuff we were giving away, needed to go by the UPS store to return something to Amazon, had to mail a bunch of thank you notes that the kids and I wrote yesterday, had to drop some stuff off of my parent, you know, just a ton of stuff. And we were talking about how just a week ago we waited in this like crazy 3.5 hour line to get a COVID test. And that was a week ago. And it feels like so long ago because this week has just has flown by. So I guess, I don't know, does it feel long ago or like it was just yesterday? I guess it doesn't really feel like, I don't know. It just doesn't feel like a whole week has gone by. Does anybody else feel like the time is just flying by in just a crazy way? All right, so as you can see here, I've got these headers. What I'm gonna do is put them up here above my date covers to pull all the colors of the kit up to the top. I'm gonna speed you up while I get all these things done because it takes a little bit of a longer time. Okay, date covers are on. Did you see how I was like, oh, I need to get more dates? And then, no, we don't have the 10th in this week, so silly me. Okay, I have that done, and now I like to put quarter boxes up here underneath all the date covers up through Saturday, not on Sunday. And that is where I keep track of the laundry that I try to do each day. In these quarter boxes, if the laundry has been folded and put away, or maybe it doesn't need to be folded, like for example, masks or something don't need to be folded, then they just need to be put away in their appropriate spot, then I check it off in here. If it's not put away, I don't check it off. That kind of gives me an indication of what do I have sitting in the laundry room, waiting to be put away. Because in my big weekly planner that sits out, I cross things off when we start the load of laundry, so then I know what has started, and it kind of helps keep me on track. Half the time I still forget that I have something sitting in the washer, which is really not helpful. All right, so as you can see, I'm putting these quarter boxes just slightly below those date boxes. That's because this adorable little flower comes down into this white space here, and had I realized that ahead of time, I could have put the quarter boxes on first and then put the date covers on, but I don't mind that little white stripe at all. I think it looks kind of cute. So I'm happy with that. We'll keep this out for the Hello Weekend. I'll probably try to cut one of those in half, do a little sticker surgery. We'll see how that works with that petal right in the middle. All right, so date covers are done. I can put those aside, as well as the washi, because I chose that, put that aside. Now, I'll need to choose the full boxes that I want to use. Now, as you can see, for example, on this past week, because I have this open space down here, I either need to fill it with like a half box or a big piece of large deco, something like that. So let's check out what large deco I've got. I have this really cute Simon there. I have, oh, I love George and all the flower petals. We have Poe here. We just have a bunch of flowers. I could put a bunch of flowers there. That could be really pretty. We've got Frank. We've got this bowl of ramen. Wow, there's a lot of different choices. But since I have this whole this whole sheet of these beautiful flowers, maybe I'll just kind of put some flowers down here. That could be really pretty. If I sort of just put like a collection of them down here. Maybe like that, flower petal. I like that. I think that looks really neat to kind of fill that space. And then here, what I'll do is put, oh, I could put one of those, but I don't end up using it as much there. So, well, let's see how my full boxes go in terms of what full boxes go where, and then see what I want to put in that Sunday spot. All right, so looking at the full boxes, for green, we've got this You Make Me So Happy. We have George with the little Pocky sticks, and we have Me So Happy. I think I'll use the Me So Happy because that's for today, and I'm happy because I get one more day of winter break. Okay. Then let's see, for dark pink, I have Bo. I have an empty, I don't know, I call them like empty full boxes. That's really not a good term for them, but I don't know what else to call them. And, oh, another bow down here. Ooh, what do I want to use? Let's see. Well, how many of the kind of empty boxes? Maybe I'll do one here and one here. So I'll use this one here. We'll need to peel this up a little bit, and that's okay because it'll overlap just a touch, which will look fine. So again, like I said, this is the PrintPression size, the PrintPression weeks. So these full boxes are a little bit shorter than like the vertical kit full boxes. They're still 1.5 inches wide, but the full boxes are a little bit shorter. All right, so let's see, light pink. I think we'll do Frank here and all the adorable flower petals. I don't know why I think that's so cute, but I just think these little critters with their sitting in all these little flower petals, really cute. Or cherry blossoms. Are those actually the leaves? I guess I'm woefully uneducated about cherry blossoms. Okay, and then yellow. So my yellow options are this kind of open fan or this kind of open one. Maybe I want to change. What are my options for orange? See, orange, I have a lot of the open ones too. So I guess I'll just do this. I really like the versatility of this, right? So this is kind of it's a little bit bigger than a quarter box, but maybe it's like a half box size-ish, almost in terms of the open writing spot. This is a little bit more like 3/4, but I like the versatility of that because it has a lot of decoration around it, but also a nice place to write something in there. Which makes me wonder if I should save it for a different spread. Oh, the choices, it's so hard. I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna stick with what I've got there. Okay, now I need to put on checklists, which are so cute. They're so cute with all the flowers, so I'm gonna use the flower ones. And then I just sort of line them up here so they're in the same space as this. Obviously here I can't because I have this deco down here. So I'll just put this one here and that'll work just fine. I have the room to put one more full box there if I want to. And then what's nice too is this gives me 3 extra places for to-do items. All right, let me get these checklists on, and then also I'm gonna put deco, 2 little kind of icon-y stickers here because I'll be able to fit like 4 things to do each day or for kind of for the week throughout the days. And I like to use the deco there just to kind of keep on with the theme. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it at that. I know I have a couple holes here, which I'll just use other stickers I have in my stash. Some of the deco on this is larger, which I love. It's gorgeous, and I'm so excited for other spreads. In terms of marking like things to do, it just doesn't work as well on this. You'll see I added the 2 little laundry stickers. I kind of feel like the start of the week, you're like, oh, happy. By the end of the week, you're like, ew, laundry again. I skipped the Hello Weekend. Didn't really have space for it there since I put this full box here. It kind of just, you know, that way I can have the items here and here and then a couple in here. I love this kit. I think it's so gorgeous. If you love it too, like I said, don't delay. It needs to be signed up for through the 10th. So before the 11th hits of the month, you're going to want to sign up for it if you want. The Kawaii kits are always such an amazing subscription, just like all items from Sweet Kawaii Design. If you're shopping for non-subscription items, don't forget to use a PR code. Mine is Jennifer10 at sweetkawaiidesign.com, and it'll get you a 10% discount as well as my really cute, fun freebie. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. Happy planning.